Today I'm going to show you how to remove your Uber Eats address, step by step. Step 1. Open the app and log in. Launch the Uber Eats app on your phone and sign into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Step 3. Access account settings. Select View Account or head to Settings. Step 4. Find your saved addresses. Look for the section called Save Places or Addresses. Step 5. Select the address to remove. Tap on the address you wish to delete. Step 6. Change default address if needed. If this address is set as your default, choose or add a new default address first. Step 7. Edit the address. Tap the edit icon, usually a pencil or 3 dots. Step 8. Remove the address. Select Remove or Delete to get rid of that address. And finally, Step 9. Confirm the deletion. Confirm when prompted to finish removing it. Now for some tips. If you only have one address saved, make sure to add a new one first before deleting the old one. Keeping your addresses up to date helps with accurate deliveries and better account security. If you run into any problems, try restarting the app or contact Uber Eats support for help. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.